And we style like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing a Shopmissa haul, and altogether I spent like $26, $4 for the shipping, and my most expensive item in my cart was my brushes. They were $10, but everything else is $1, and I highly recommend you to shop on their website because this is my second time, shopping with Missa, and I'm not disappointed for real. Some of the products are small than what the picture shows, but again, it's only $1. So let's just get into it. So the first item I bought, as you can see, it's super small, and it's the AOA Dewy Creamy foundation highlighter, and I feel like it's pretty pigmented. Like, it looks like it. I didn't swatch it yet, and I don't want to right now, but I feel like it's really, about what it says, because I have a highlighter from them. I think it was from LA Colors, because they sell LA Colors and stuff like that on their website also. And it was a highlighter. I lost that thing, but it didn't even work. Like, I had to like smudge my brush into it for the highlighter to just pick up, and that was just doing way too much. Okay, so I got this Lip Pop AOA lip gloss, and this was $1. Everything's $1, and I opened it because I just want to see what it looked like. I have it on my lips now, but I don't think you can tell because like it's like kind of dry to me, so like it probably just went away. But to me, like, all their lip stuff is so dry. It's like they were just sitting there in the factory or in the shop, whatever they keep their stuff at, for years. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to work with it, move it around, get it all loose, you feel me? Setting powder, also by AOA. I think everything I got is from AOA but one thing, I don't know, but it's the warm setting powder. I need a new setting powder, so I got this, I got this one. I feel like it's just way too small. Like, it look like it'll last me like a whole week, for real. But I do be packing setting powder on my face like crazy. I got another setting powder from AOA also, and it's the banana one. So yeah, I got two of them because I just want to try and see what it look like on my skin and stuff like that when I blend my makeup and everything. So on to the next product. My next product is basically blushes. It's like a it's 4-color blush palette by Amuse, I guess how you say it. And it's pink, gold, a darker pink, and a red, I think. And the names is on the back. So it's Feeling Peachy, Rose All Day, Coral Party, Berry Swan. So that's basically the colors: peach, rose, coral, berry. And I feel like they're cute. Like, I've never used blush before, so we're gonna try it out. Like, I was just trying to get like all my other makeup stuff that I need, because like I'm almost there. All I need to get is a new foundation. I got everything, I'm set. So I want to really get into makeup, try it out. All right, so the next thing I got is this lovely purple lipstick. Oh girl, even looking at it without opening it, it seemed like it's full, because like my other one I got from this company was like dry, and like it was not the color that I thought it was. But you could do like a lip look with that one I have, and I'll show y'all what it looked like in another video. I might have it on my next video, so yeah. These ones are usually dry, like the AOA lip stuff are usually dry, so I'm gonna open it and see what's about. All right, so this is what it look like, looks very pigmented, and it smells good for real. Like, I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. Ooh, look at that. that looks nice. That looks really nice. This color is, what color is it? Wait, it says Drama. It's Drama. I'll leave every product I got in the description box just in case you want to buy it. So yeah. So my next one is this lovely orange. Like, look how bright that is. I'm about to do this combo, my lip combo, with this color, purple, and this orange. I feel like it's about to be fire. So I'm gonna open this one and swatch it also. Alright, so that looks coming out. Let me see. Same smell. The brush look kind of broke. Like, you see that? It's like bent. Well, let me see. Yeah, same smell. Oh! Stop. This is very pigmented also. This one is Drama. Bro, this is bright. Look how bright that is. It's super bright. Look at that. Look how lovely. It's very bright in person, and I like it a lot. And these are both matte lipsticks. So right now the purple one's drying up, so I guess it takes like a couple minutes to dry up, but that's okay though. But they're very nice. Like, I'm not disappointed. Usually I am. Like, my last one I said was not it, and it was very dry, but this one, these two are very bomb. Like, look at those. Like, oh my gosh, they're so cute. All right, so the next thing I got is this light brown. It's a perfect brown lip liner, because I love my lip liners. And this one is from LA Cover. Not LA Color. Yeah, not Cover. This one's from LA Colors. And I think it's very cute. Like, again, I'll leave it in the description. I'm not gonna swatch that one because it's probably just regular brown. So yeah. So my next product, this one is not from Shopmissa, but I got this one from CVS, and it's the e.l.f. company. e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish, and I got it in the color Tan Walnut. I feel like it's a little light, but like when I put it on, it wasn't bad. So I could have went darker, but like I like my concealer like bright. Like, I like to highlight, so like this is my highlight concealer. I have so many other concealers, so it don't matter. The next product I got is these brushes. So it basically comes in this little nice cute like carrier. Like, it comes with a top for it, but I took the top off, and I think it's so cute. Let me smell. They have like this strong smell to it. Like, put my tongue on what it smells like, but like these are what the brushes look like. They're cute and they're fluffy too. Like, I love their brushes. Like, they be blending, girl. They be blending. So these are what the brushes look. They're just all eyeshadow brushes for real. Flat brushes. They're all the brushes that you will need for your eyebrows. And they also got like a spoolie brush. Very small, like a spoolie brush. These are all the eyeshadow brushes you will need, you know, if you're starting out with makeup and stuff. Like, I needed more eyeshadow brushes because I hate cleaning them. It just takes forever. And like, what if I want to do my makeup tomorrow and I have to wait and they're all wet and stuff like that? So yeah, so I got some new ones. So the next product I got is this I got this Wonder Blender, and it's basically a high def makeup brush. Looks like that, you know, a little base and a curve. So yeah, I need another booty blender, so I just got this one, and I think it looks cool for real. So yeah, my last two products I got are these AOA wipes. This one is mint, and they're super small. I thought they were gonna be bigger than this, but it's okay. They come with 15 sheets, and I'm happy I got another one. This one is the lemon scent one. So yeah, they both come with 15 wipes. That's how big the sheets are. They're very big. I feel like it's a good size. I'm taking the lemon one. Just wiping it off. That's the first. So I basically got it all off. There's a little bit of orange on my hand, but yeah. And I forgot to show you guys my two brushes I got. So that wasn't the last thing I had to show you, but I got these two. I got a buffing brush and it's that little concealer that everybody be using. Like, I'm so happy I got these because I really needed these. So like, it's like a beauty blender for real. Like, look at that. Like, that will make my foundation look bomb. And their like brushes are so soft. Like, I have a whole collection of this brand AOA, these black ones. I have like 24 of them over there. So like, now I got like 26. So I'm very happy about that. And yeah, so like, I gave Shopmissa for this batch of round 2, I give them like a solid 9 for real, because like, I'm not disappointed. Even though the highlighter is small and my setting powders are small, I'm very pleased with the little lipsticks and stuff like that, and my brushes. Like, I'm very pleased. So yeah, so make sure you guys check out Shopmissa. You won't be disappointed. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next YouTube video, which will be next week, hopefully. I don't slack. I'm not gonna slack because I love you guys. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also share, because your girl's trying to get up there. So support me, you know. Yeah guys, so love you guys.